Welcome to 2242 Loop Road. This home and property is one to see. It features a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that sits on approximately 2.6 acres. The property also has a babbling seasonal creek that runs October through May, a large gated area for your pets or animals, and not to mention, this property is only 5 minutes from downtown Stevenson, which will allow you to live rural but still have all the modern conveniences. So I'm excited to take you on a tour of this awesome home and property. Let's go check it out.